Hi everyone, welcome to Rocket Rose Art. My name is Jeff. In this video I've got a very nice piece of blue-green and I'm going to cut an oval shape out of it. This piece of blue-green I think is going to cut a really nice oval. It has a couple of little problems. I'll try and show them to you. I'll try and use a light for this. Bubbles will, if you light it from the side, bubbles will show up as a bright spot. If you look down the bottom right, there's a bubble running through there. I think there's a little one over on the left. But I'm thinking they'll be fine. I think I'll be able to cut around them, and I think we should be able to get a nice stone out of this. Right, we finished roughing this out. Now it's time to fine tune the shape, get it ready for the kiln. First thing, round the edge, get that shape right. Pretty close off of the rock, we've got it pretty right. Just a little bit there that we need to fine tune. I'll go around and put a chamfer on this now so that the stone can be set properly. Again, drop stick at about 30 degrees, something like that. And then just go around the stone. Put that chamfer on. Sure we're right. Check our shape again. Check our chamfer. And then continue to roll it over by changing our angles slightly. Continue to go around all the time. Needs a little bit more fine tuning with that shape. Now just keep going around this. We'll try and get rid of all those bevels, all those facets I should say, that we've created. Try and get a nice round dome. How do we look? A little high spot there. very hard on a hard wheel to do this. Really, I should be using a soft wheel, as I've mentioned in the previous video. And the soft wheel would allow me to push into the wheel a little bit and to get those nice curves. But we're doing pretty good. I think we are good enough to go in the kiln. So I will see you when I take this out of the kiln and we can have a look at the final piece. Do I look disappointed? I am. This piece of blue-green hasn't turned out as well as I hoped. I lost a fair bit when I was cutting it, so it's turned out a lot darker. The black back material is showing through and fairly dominant. The shape is out a little bit on one side, but it's not really that noticeable. And there is a bubble on one side that I missed before I put it in the kiln. If I'd noticed that, I would have shaped it a little bit less, a little bit more I should say, and got rid of that bubble. So it's a little disappointing, but all in all, I suppose it's not a bad stone. It'll go into something like a bracelet or a small drop pendant, something along that line. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.